Yep. So you got all that. Wow. Holy shit. You guys could go with this one.
Evidently, they just didn't take them all the way up, huh?
That's not.
Right there, because
All of them are short. Yeah. Huh. Very sweet. 30,000 miles.
30,000 original miles, guys.
It's crazy, bro. Brand new car, now you broke in.
I was wrong with what mileage. Yeah.
Only 20,000 miles.
Yeah.
You guess that 50,000, but man.
Think you might want the light?
And my phone's giving it light.
I don't think anybody ever sat in the back seat.
Don't look like it. Oh, you know what you guys are doing sometime.
This thing is amazing.
Yeah, but look at that. Still got the original mat.
Yeah, that don't look bad at all either.
What's this?
Trim? That trim?
No, that's tank straps.
Oh, new.
Brand new straps for the tank, valve cover gaskets, all these parts for the engine and car. Whew.
It's amazing.
This is
Set
your
emergency brake.
temporary.
Jacking.
An original sticker.
Well, I mean, look, it's got the bumper jack in there. And
Yeah.
it's never been out, never been used.
$30,000, I say it's all original, even the stickers are all original.
Oh, yeah.
And the tire, does the tire have a date on it?
It will. I'll have to get it out and look, see if I can decipher it.
Yeah. The bumper jack was amazing to me. It looks brand new.
It is. It's never been used.
No.
So, Donnie, put 70s on the back
Yeah.
and the 75s up front, maybe.
Give it a little bit. You know, see where they a little bit like that. It's nice. You know, look good when you get cleaned up and get running and going down the road. It'll look good.
Okay, tell us what you think.
30,000 original miles.
Yeah, that blows my mind.
Yeah. Well, I think the only thing we're going to change on it is going to be we're going to put disc brakes on the front
Definitely, it'd be better.
just to make it safer. We'll keep the drum brakes and the hubs, but I can get a Summit disc brake kit.
Mm-hmm.
And hopefully the original engine can be saved.
Well, that's just it. Won't know.
How's it runs good, I guess, right? And get
I mean-
paint.
Carburetor will have to probably be rebuilt. I've changed the hoses.
Mm-hmm.
God, it's still got the stock clamps on it back here
Oh,
from 1967.
Unreal.
Change the oil. I mean, we don't know how the radiator is or the water pump,
Been sitting a long time, so.
but it's still got the bottom radiator hose has been changed. The top one never has because it's got
That-
the GM clamps on it. But it's a V6. Put disc brakes on it, new tires on the rims with the hubcaps. Probably shocks. We got a new gas tank for it. Run new fuel line.
You got all the parts really right there to do all that.
We'll have to check the wheel cylinders in the back.
Yeah, they'll probably need changed.
I don't know about the brake lines though.
Yeah, brake line's probably good.
We're gonna find out.
I'm thinking they're gonna be good.
And we've got the original hubcaps. Did you say that? Okay.
Pretty nice.
I didn't know. I gotta look, see, is this, I don't know if they came with 2-speed or 3-speed in these.
I don't know.
I can look here. I'm able to tell by the dash. Oh, yep, 2-speed. But dang, man. This dash,
It's amazing.
this is, yeah. Guys, I'm telling you,
Yeah, you came across a gold mine.
this is cool.
It is.
Man. And Mrs. Moose said, yeah, you don't want no bull. I got the business too. Down,
Yeah.
down dirt. Down dirty.
Your birthday.
And here I'm gonna be the one driving it.
Oh no, it's too big for you.
That's right.
That makes 2 cars I get.
No, you're getting one.
Cars is.
Is that rain?
Is it? Is it?
Yeah.
Well, you had to walk out there and actually feel to know if it was.
But yeah,
I mean, it's gonna take a little elbow grease, but you got the parts to do it all, so a couple things.
except I don't have the disc brake kit
Yeah.
and the tires.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about the exhaust system.
Can't look kinda cruddy.
You can't really crawl underneath of it and look.
I love that the rims on there match the car and they show on the outside of the hubcaps. That's cool.
It's a nice looking car. I like the style of it. Get that paint on the grill.
Oh yeah, look at the emblem on the grill now.
Oh, shoot. Brand new too.
Yep.
Good work to get to the bumper. Might work out.
But I was told that this last ran in the early 90s. And you can tell master cylinder leak. Ain't no biggie. That'll have to get changed anyway. I'll keep all the parts
Yeah, definitely.
if somebody wants to put drums back on it, but I want it to be safe. Disc brakes on this would be an upgrade.
Definitely. Big car is.
So, yeah,
Not the windows work like they're brand new.
I got some work.
They work, they go up and down easy.
Yeah, they're brand new.
Oh, what do they call these little windows?
Vent wings,
Fix those.
vent windows. That's poor man's air conditioning.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Oh, there it went.
Don't break it already. We don't even own it yet.
Well,
Don't.
225 cubic inch.
225.
Yep. Yeah, on this book right here.
That's the owner's manual?
Yeah.
Holy
Owner's
mackerel.
menu.
oh yeah, it's got all the manuals in the glove
These
compartment.
are parts. Special, Skylark, GS400s, Volkswagen.
The manuals are all in mint condition.
This is the special.
Carpet is in mint condition. Seats,
Check that
not
out.
even any wear on them.
Like brand new.
Headliner, great. No wear on it.
Yeah, radio delete too.
Yep. Bad bone.
No radio delete. What are the knobs for on the dash?
Yeah, heat and you
Heater.
got headlights.
Headlights and stuff.
Wow.
Behind the steering wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wipers, headlights.
A cigarette lighter?
That looks like it. Looks like it says lighter.
A cigarette lighter in it.
I bet that fucker worked too.